Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Jenofeve Designs, and we are going to do another, or the last page actually, in the Remnants Lovely Layers mini album that we are currently working on, the love story one. And you can find the links to the templates and links to the playlist and links to anything and everything in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. But we have one more, let me move this off the cover. We have one more space. We have this back cover to do. So, and then after that, we just need to go through and make tags and things for different spots. So it's getting really thick. So I think when we do the tags and things, we'll do a bunch of just flatter type tags. Does that make sense? This was the last page we did. It's so cute. So that was simple, but it did add bulk because of that. So on this page, I was thinking, and this is cute, right? Because it comes out like this. It's so cute. Y'all remember this page? We just did it a couple videos ago. I thought we would use still, I didn't print anything else off. Oh, yes, I did. I just lied to you. I printed one more thing off. So page 5. These are leftover bits from other parts of the album that we made already. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use this belly band, I think. Yep. And then I'm also going to use page number 8, which is the envelope number 1. I printed it off onto cream cardstock, and I printed the note paper background. One, and then on the back side, I printed the muted backgrounds on the cream paper in the number 11. Not page 11, but number 11. So I printed that on the back side because I think I'm going to have it flipped the other way. So, let's move this out of the way. Oops. So I think what I'm going to do is get my paper trimmer out. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to cut this belly band off here. This is a Fiskars heavy duty precision paper trimmer. And I think I'm going to have a side pocket here. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this piece off here. Like that. And then I think I'm going to do this with my scissors. So that's all I need my paper trimmer for. Okay, so now I'm going to go through, like with the belly band, I'm just going to go ahead. These are Tim Holtz little mini snips. I'm just going to notch these just so they're hidden. Trim that up a little better. I'm going to notch that. And I'm going to notch all of these corners as well. So for this, whoa, throwing stuff around. So for this one, I'm going to first remove this pocket. And these little ribbon tails here. And set those aside. And then I'm going to finish trimming this out. So I'm going to go all the way around and do all of these straight cuts first, and then come back and do the curved edges. And then I'll be back. Okay, so everything is cut out, I do believe. Now I'm going to get my scoreboard and it's an EK Tools scoreboard and EK Tools stylus, and I'm going to score everything that needs to be scored. Oh, I don't know if I already got that one. I don't know if I scored that one on the line very well. Score these 2 tabs. Score all of these. Whoa. Just like that. And so then we're going to go through and we're going to prep all of those folds. But with this one, we're going to prep it one way and then we're going to fold it this way. I think I want the purple on the outside. And we've already made one of these in a previous page. So it looks like that. So I'll ink all that up when we're done prepping. Prep this one. And then prep this one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is all of them, I'm going to ink them up with Distress Oxide and Walnut Stain. And then I will be back. Alright, I've got all 3 pieces inked up, ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and put the envelope together. I'm going to use Art Glitter Glue. And I'm going to put, not all the way up, I'm just going to put some along this part here and along this part here. And a little bit up this ways. Why do I keep setting my pen down? I put a magnet for erasing. Okay, and we're going to close that up. Alright, we're going to set that aside. And for these 2 pieces, we're going to put some tape on. This is double-sided adhesive by scrapbook.com. And it's a more recent item of theirs. It's pretty cool. I like it so far. Haven't seen anything bad happen to anything in my pages or anything, so we're good to go there. And I have put links in the description box below if you want to check it out. And it seems like it's always on sale. It might not always be on sale, but it's a pretty good price. So, okay, so what I'm going to do, I think, I'm going to attach this into the inside cover here. So I'm going to fold those 2 inside pieces in. I mean those 2 short tabs in, and then I'm going to attach this long back tab. And then remove all that. And then we're going to put some glue stick. This is just cheapy Hobby Lobby glue stick that we're going to use just to give us a minute in case I need to reposition it. This sucker is getting fat. So I'm going to stick this on here. It should fit perfectly. Like that. So there's a place to hide. Oop, you gotta let the glue tack first before you start going crazy. So there's a good place to store extra bits, extra ephemera that you may have collected, or extra pictures or anything like that. Just extra papers that you might be using to stick in the back there. That's a good place to do that. Alright, so then I'm going to attach this belly band down. I'm just going to take, well, let's just take one off. I don't think this has an up and a down, so I'm just going to try to find the center because I'm so great at that. I'm not even going to use a glue stick, obviously, because I already stuck it down. We're going to stick this one down like that. So then this is going to go in here. I guess we could go this way. Like that. Right? Simple, simple. That's also a great place to store stuff. The envelopes are. So then I was looking at the flowers and stuff, and I want to use a big flower. And you remember when we cut this oval out of, was it this? Yeah, from this paper. I think it is, yeah. When we did this page, we had 2 ovals. I was wanting to use that here because I wanted to use at least one of those pieces. And so I thought that something like that might be kind of cute, right? But there's still so much bulk. So because of this middle part, can y'all see? No, because I moved it out of camera. Do y'all see that middle part there? I'm going to remove that. I'm going to move it, and I'll put it in my embellishments. Don't nobody freak out. And I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace it with one of these rusty brads that I did. I just need to find it. There we go. And let's just rust some stuff. Now I'm not going to try to poke it all the way through. I probably could if I really wanted to, but I'm not going to try to. What I am going to do is I'm going to take my Tim Holtz little snippy snips here, and I think I can do them both at one time. I'm just going to snip the post off. I'm going to cover it with my eyes. Oh no, I'm not going to do two at a time. Let's do one at a time. I'm going to pull one out and snip just that post part off of there. There's one. And then here's the other. Whoop. Be careful, you need to block your eyes so you don't hurt yourself. So then I'm going to put some glue. I'm going to use this art glitter glue again. I'm going to put some glue right in the middle here, a good glob. Then I'm going to take that brad and I'm going to drop it upside down. Don't drop it upside down. I'm going to take that brad and I'm going to place it in the center. Just like that. So, yep. Since I dropped it in the glue, it wants to stick to me. Oh my goodness! It might need some more glue. Let's put some in the brad itself. Okay, so now we're going to let that set while we think. So I think that takes away enough of the bulk, so that makes me happy. So now I'm thinking we need some more something. Oops, not that. I was thinking about maybe adding some twine. Just kind of like looping it around, you know, and just having it sticking out every which way underneath the flower. Because I just really like that look. I don't know why, especially with the green flowers. I just really... Right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and tack this down. Oh no. This time I'm going to use Fabri-Tac by Beacon. And I'm going to tack it down in the middle here. Oh, I got me a new bottle, y'all. Yes, I did. I did not need to shake or squeeze. Okay. Gonna stick that there. So I just kind of want it to be stationary, because I think what I'm going to do now is I think I'm going to put some more glue in the middle here, so where the flower is going to be, so we can tack down some of this. You know what I mean? Because it certainly is not cooperating much. It never does. So let's just... Let me grab something to push it down. This twine is so, like, thick. It's not like string or anything. So I'm just going to keep messing with it. Until it looks messy, but in a good way, a good chaos, you know, a good messy chaos. I know that looks so weird, but once you cover it up with a flower, it just has this really cool effect that I like, that I think looks pretty cool anyways. So let me see, is there anything else I want to put on there? Okay, I know what it needs. I know what it needs. It needs some rusted keys. What do y'all think? I think I'm going to do that. I think they would be super cute. Like, oh wait a minute, like dangling down, you know? I can't, like, what do y'all think? I can't tell, I can't get my head over it. You think it's too much? Do you think I need to scoot that up a little bit? What do y'all think? Oh my gosh, maybe this one needs to go this way. I just think it's a super cute idea. I'm going to do it. Let's start with tacking this big flower down. I think I might have got that one. No. And then let's put some glue on this. And tack it underneath here, or tuck it, tuck it. Put some glue on this. Gosh, that is adorable. I like it. You guys like? Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna have to let that sit and dry. I don't want to mess it up. So we're gonna leave it alone. I'll be right back. Okay, so I let it dry for a little while. I put something heavy on it, and I think it turned out really cute. I did scuff up the edges of the oval. I just felt like it was just too perfect, you know what I mean? So I did scuff that up a little bit, just with my fingernail, and just ran it across the edge. But I think it looks cute. Do you guys like it? I love those keys. I will have a link to those keys, I think. I need to write a note. I need to make myself a note. I'll have a link to those keys in the description box below. Because you get like a bag of them and they're really cheap. So anyway, so I think that's all we're going to do for this page. I think it turned out super cute. Let's see how thick it is. Ooh! Ooh! Look how thick that has gotten. Goodness. Well, it still closes. Gosh, look at that. Okay, so whoop. In the next video, we will go through and just make a bunch of tags. I think that we'll have to keep them flat because it's already gotten so thick, but I think everything needs some tags. So we may do like some layer, like staple some stuff or something. I don't know, but so that'll be the next video. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Do let me know what you think in the description box below. I love to read your comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and hit this circle right there. And then be sure to hit that little bell so that you get notified when I upload a video. And then here is a link to my shop. If you're interested in the templates, the muted backgrounds, or the build embellishments, or if you just want to check everything out, there's a link. And then there should be other videos here on the screen that you might be interested in. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.